Hello everybody to lesson number 10 of HTML Deep Understanding. Today we have a text formatting lesson in HTML. We'll know how to format a text with HTML code. First of all, we have some tags that we added to the text to format that text. First of all, we have bold text. For example, I will write here a normal paragraph. I will write a normal paragraph tag, and I will write here, this is normal paragraph. Okay, then I will write here a specific word for the normal. I will add bold for the normal, so I will add B and the closing tag of the B. So let's refresh that tag and see what we have. So here we have added B and B, not P. P is the paragraph, but P means bold. I will write here bold. Wait, let's duplicate that one and write here normal. Delete this one to make it more easier. Here I'll write here bold, means that this paragraph will be print bold. Let's go and double click the file that we have created and see what we have. See here, the word that we have written bold has been print bold. The next element which we have is the strong, which is the same as bold, but it means bold and strong means the emphasized text, so it's strong, and the different will be not so large. They are the same. The third one would be the I, which means emphasize. We will create the other one, which is emphasize. I'll change that one, duplicate that one. I means italic. Refresh. Italic, we could see that italic is, the word is italic. Then we have the other one, which is mark, which would print the word marked word with a mark color like that, mark. The other one would be the small. We'll write here small, which would print that small word smaller than the normal text. The other one was del, means deleted, which would print the text deleted. The other one, which is ins, means inserted. We will see now how does they work. The other one, which is sub and super, which is em, which means emphasized. Let's refresh, save that file and refresh the website and see what we have. So here we have mark. The text will be marked with color. Small, the text is smaller than the normal text. Deleted means there is a through line. That line means that word is deleted, as when we delete a word in writing. This inserted means when we have an underline, means that word is inserted. This emphasized, look how is it emphasized. So you could see that emphasized and italic, they are the same. Bold and the other one, which is strong, they are likely the same. The last tags the following, which is super and sub. So we have here super, which would print the word upper, the normal word. The other one, which would be sub. So we have sub and sub. The first one will print the word at the upper line, but the other will print the word at the lower line. So let's write sub and save and refresh that thing. So you could see here this sub paragraph and this sub paragraph. So the sub paragraph with P print the words in the upper line, but the sub with B, normal B, will print the word in the lower line. That was for the lesson for today. So I hope it was easy, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.